the shore of Inisfree, where the wire waves kiss the sand, lived a maid with eyes of emerald and seashells in her hand. Her song would wake the morning sky and calm the restless deep, and every sailor lost at sea would hear her voice in sleep. Oh, the maid of Inisfree, with hair of autumn flame, she waits beside the silver tide and whispers love by name. Through mist and wind her spirit flies, where ocean meets the lee. My heart belongs forevermore to the Maid of Inisfree. The tide would call, the gulls would cry as twilight veiled the bay. She watched the sails fade into dusk and softly knelt to pray. They say her tears became the pearls that shimmer on the foam, and when the moon would light the sea, she'd sing to guide them home. The Maid of Inisfree, with hair of autumn flame, she waits beside the silver tide and whispers love by name. Through mist and wind her spirit flies, where ocean meets the lee. My heart belongs forevermore to the Maid of Inisfree. Shall bind her gentle soul, no storm can steal her song. For in the breath of ocean wind her memory lives on. And when I sail that wayward shore beneath the starlit sea, I'll hear her call across the waves. She's waiting there